How to create template in Capcut PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Capcut on your PC and import a picture. And to add other stickers, what you can do is click on Library on the left side. Then you'll find different options you can search as well. I'm simply gonna add this one. Click on it and click on the plus button, which will add it to the timeline at the bottom. Then go to your picture and add the picture. And make sure the picture is in the upper layer. Adjust the size and it will be layered in the same video. After you have done that, what you can do is on the right side, click on animation and select the animation you want. After you have selected for the picture, in the timeline, select the video at the bottom. Then select the animation for that video as well. After you have done that, you can simply click on export at the top and export it and send it to people. Another thing what you can do is if you go back, you can simply click on the three dots and rename it as well. And this is how to create template in Capcut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.